Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle of complicated wiring? The Scosche wiring harness lets you connect an aftermarket stereo directly to your factory amplified system, no wire cutting required. It's designed to fit seamlessly with your vehicle's factory harness, making installation straightforward and stress-free. What sets this harness apart is its factory-quality wires and connectors, combined with standard color-coded wiring. This means you can install your new stereo quickly and confidently, even if you're not a professional. Just plug it in and enjoy clear sound without the guesswork or damage to your vehicle's original wiring. Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio accessories for over 40 years. Their commitment to quality shows in every product, including this wiring harness. They understand how important your vehicle is to you, so they design and engineer every item to meet strict standards, ensuring durability and reliability every time. One of the best parts? Scosche offers lifetime tech support. If you ever have questions or need help with your installation, their expert team is ready to assist you for as long as you own the product. Plus, every Scosche 12 volts installation accessory comes with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. Take it from a satisfied customer who saved over $100 using this harness, instead of paying $165 for a specific harness for a 2006 Saturn. They quickly connected a Kenwood radio with this product. The result? A flawless connection and the freedom to enjoy music without the old radio's limitations. If you're upgrading your car's audio system and want a reliable, easy-to-install solution that won't compromise your factory wiring, this Scosche harness is worth a look. It's built to last, backed by solid support, and designed to make your upgrade smooth from start to finish. Ready to make the switch? Try the Scosche wiring harness when you're ready to experience a clean, professional connection that brings out the best in your aftermarket stereo. It's a simple step toward better sound and hassle-free installation.